Okay guys, my ML 280 2007 model, I'm having problems with it. The engine management light has come on, and as you can see, I'm not having any power. It's not doing anything. So I'm going to run a test now and see what exactly is the problem. Running my scan now. There's one error, fault pending. That's code 0244. Okay, so that's something to do with the turbo. Okay, so I'm gonna have a look now. From what I recall, a problem was is the actuator in the turbo. There is a malfunction in the actuator, so I'm gonna I'll take it off and I'll have a look and see what's wrong in it, because I fixed it before and I'm pretty sure the problem is still in there. So I'll go ahead. We have to remove this bit, which is pretty straightforward. Undo this, unplug, unplug, and just remove the whole unit. That I removed the clips, everything, just lift it out of place. This is your actuator. You normally have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. One of these at the bottom. Now it's very hard to get to the bottom one, so what you do is you remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you fiddle with it, and eventually it's going to come out. The bottom one is not that necessary. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll remove these. They're quite straightforward, they're simple. I've got a piece of magnet I tape onto the screwdriver, just so that I don't drop the clip. So you go ahead and you just remove all the clips.
I'll call you back. Okay. Bye.
4, 5. Okay, so go ahead now and you remove the actuator itself. Will come right off, and I will check and see what the problem is, if this is the problem. So let me get it unplugged and I'll take it inside and I'll see what the problem is. Okay guys, now the main problem with this unit is these two contacts. I don't know how Bosch built them, I don't know what they did, but all the contacts, they're zinc coated and they cannot for some reason be soldered. What I had to do was I got a 2mm drill bit, put it on my drill, and I drilled slightly past the zinc coating, and beneath is the copper. So just be careful when you're doing it. It's a little bit fiddly, but it's doable and it will save you a lot of money. Mercedes want £2,500 for the turbo unit, because apparently the unit is calibrated off the vehicle, so you can't just buy an actuator and replace it. So once again, 2.5mm drill bit, drill slightly through the zinc coating, and beneath you'll find the copper, and that's where the solder is going to hold on to. Now one of mine came loose, as you can see here, and that's what stopped my unit from working. You can have a look, you'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to solder it. I'll put it back on and I'll clear the code, and hopefully it'll be back to normal. I've done soldering it. As you can see, it's properly soldered now. It's not moving, both of them. So I'll go ahead and I'll replace everything in the same order that I took it off. Do the same.
What do you think?
Okay, so put everything back together the way it was. Everything is back in place the way it was. So now I'm gonna go in and I am going to clear the code. As you can see, the light is still on. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clear the code, and we'll see what happens. Pause it for a minute, sir. Okay, so clear the code. I cleared the fault. Start the car. There we go. And that's full power. Hope you like my video. If you do, just can you kindly subscribe? Thank you.